Alright, so to better explain that comment, yes, the shop might charge you anywhere from $140 to $210 an hour for shop labor, but it's not what the mechanic, same thing at the body shop, that's not what the technician is getting when it comes to the pay. Even though you're paying that much, literally, the last shop I worked at, they were charging about $210 an hour. It might be a little bit more now because that was about a year ago. So probably like $230 now. But yeah, we were making less than, making like a little over 10%, maybe 11%, because I was making 23 an hour. So whatever that equals out of 210. So that's what I was getting as a tech. And the highest paid tech in the shop was getting like 35 an hour. And this was at Audi, which blew my mind because when I came from Chevy, the top paid tech was making over 50 an hour. Still, you're charging $200+ an hour and your top guy is not even getting a third of that pay. That's crazy to me. And I do understand, yeah, you got all the overhead and stuff, but dealerships and shops, the way they work, they're charging per hour per tech. So you got 30 techs in the shop and each one's pulling an hour. They're each pulling in $200 an hour so that's where I get a little confused. It's not like they need to make a huge margin because that hourly covers everyone. No, it covers every individual person every time they sell an hour. So that's why it's confusing.